Xingqiu focuses on the quality of the final product, the flawless powder-coated surface of the profiles, strong adhesion and durability. The Xingqiu uses the latest available technology, accompanied by the required expertise and appropriate technical support. It also has a full range of glossy, matte, and special shades, ensuring a superior quality product, consistency, and effective delivery schedules. Typically, in contact with the atmosphere, the aluminum surface is covered with an aluminum oxide layer with a thickness of less than 1 to 2 micrometers. Due to its low thickness, high porosity, and low mechanical strength, this layer does not protect the metal from corrosion. Anodizing for protective and decorative purposes is the most common method of the superficial oxidation processes and is carried out through anodized oxidation.